Thank you for joining us at the Google Atlanta office to discuss about the AI agent and its impact on manufacturing and supply chain. You all participated and had an engaging conversation, not just talking about how AI would change, but also hearing from Google on how Google has evolved and how other customers are evolving, as well as hearing the perspective from Paula, Steve, and Eric from Google in terms of how they are seeing the not just being internally used for the data centers and beyond, but also how the customers are using it. And we went into not only talking about what Pluto7 has been doing over the last 9 years, building deep expertise in AI and helping customers save money and putting them on the path for $65 million savings for a $3 billion revenue company, and ensuring that when it comes to customers like AB InBev, the early adopters, how do you get the innovation right, working alongside the business process experts and beyond? And Paula walked you through how AI agent is going to transform every task, job, and with the example of a headphone of not only making sure your plan, make, source, deliver all works harmoniously, it is equally important to make sure that these processes and the problems are interconnected through the data, both internal and external. And as we see the world evolve, we spoke about how Google is already using this and enabling this. And then we gave you a demo of how we at Pluto 7 have been taking this example of a fictitious end customer, Sally. When she finds a hard drive defective, how does she work with agents to connect directly with the manufacturer? And in this case, Mark being the production planner in manufacturing and solving these interconnected problems. And as we look at these agents solving these interconnected problems, data foundation is key. And we walked you through how Pluto 7 helps accelerate this enablement in 4 weeks. And we did the demo to walk you through how these agents, which are a set of interconnected agents, work with each other. And while they're working with each other, you as the planners are always in control of your SNOP data in real time, as these data sets and the use cases combined with the data sets are executed in such a manner such that the agent is always operating with always on model. And we realize that you have data sets in different sources. So we have enabled through Sheet Pro, Sheet Go as a partner company so that your data is organized not just from ERPs and spreadsheet, but also in multimodal so that it can read documents and take actions for you and enable the savings that we think about. When you think about these agents working with each other, they reside in Gemini Enterprise along with Pi Agent, and the Pi agent is working in doing the thinking, evaluating, as well as planning for you. This is transformation. This is not a bolt on. This runs in your tenant. And while most software companies and ERP companies think of AI as bolt on, we think of it as built in. It needs to be at every process at every stage so that it's thinking and acting on behalf of you. This is transformational, and we see the transformation happening. While we think about the 4 week pilot, we go beyond and worry about your entire journey being right, helping you with change management and more. Start with the first use case. It's okay to dream big, but let's start small and scale fast. Reach out to us for a custom demo. And thank you.